Hi, I started coming to the Stream Center here at the Erlanger Branch of Kenton County Library several years ago. I started doing the different craft classes and then ventured off into creating some of my own projects. I've done the Glow Forge. Currently, I'm making mini charcuterie boards for my daughter's engagement dinner. I have done the 3D printer, making different models of different local buildings. McMicken Hall at University of Cincinnati was a big hit for my husband who was employed there. I definitely recommend it to everyone and I tell everyone about it. And if you're ever hesitant, just book a one-on-one. You'd be super amazed at what you can do.